It's wonderful to see you all again, coming back from lunch here today in the historic city of Rochester. I have the privilege of being able to oversee a department like Program and Constituency Services. And I get to witness every day how NYSUT is committed to providing quality support and leadership training for all of our members. Our Health and Safety Department has been traveling the state, helping locals navigate the Workplace Violence and Prevention Act, and we have brought back our first Healthcare Professionals Conference since 2019. Our social services have built an enormous mental health network, and we have seen more activism from our counselors, psychologists, social workers, and we are all going to be gathering this week coming up at our new Collective Care Lobby Day. Retiree Services continues to deliver day in and day out for our amazing retirees. Our retiree councils are more engaged than ever and continue to be the living symbol of what it means to be union for life. And now let's talk about our incredible SRPs. That's right. Whether it's at our annual conference, our Leadership Institute, LAP, a Fixed Tier 6 rally, our Committee of 100, or Lobby Day, our SRPs show up in force, and they make their presence known. Union work has always been a challenge, but lately the obstacles thrown in front of us have forced us to all find another gear to push on. And in 1984, while I was heading off to college in Cortland, Bruce Springsteen was releasing his widely popular Born in the USA album. Yeah, I know, some people in this room have not been born when that happened. But one song has always resonated with me. Today, that message of perseverance is just what we need to take on our next campaign, our next battle, and our next fight. We will never retreat, and we will never surrender.